Hello at welcome ulit sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. So, new episode for today. Ano ko ba explain? Basically, I just wanted to do something refreshing. So, ewan ko kung familiar kayo sa banh mi na Vietnamese, but hindi ako makahanap ng baguette. No? So, ang hirap makahanap ng French bread. So, I think everything is out of stock. So, I'm gonna be using hotdog buns. So, mas madali din siyang mahanap. Number one, it's not authentic. Definitely not. Number two, this is just my makeshift. Ibig sabihin, parang ano lang, a shortcut ko in making banh mi, no? And another way of making use of tocino. So, what I will be using is the tocino. I only use two brands, really, CDO or Pampangas Best. So, those are the only ones I get from the grocery. But, feel free to do that. And then, Reno spread. Kailangan Reno spread. And then, ang secret to this is really this one, yung gagawin natin ng parang vinaigrette. Mimix natin together yung carrots, singkamas, red onions, sugar, and ang ating suka. So, very, very simple. But, let's just go. Lulutuin lang natin to. So, with this one, gugustuhin mo lalagyan ng konting tubig. Maboil para to make sure lumambot ang ating tocino. Kasi ako, may nagregalo sa akin maraming tocino. Parang for me, it's just another way. Di ba tocino, you just normally fry it, sinangag, itlog. So this is just another way of doing that, no, or using it. So wala lang, parang ganun lang, another way. So once it boils, I will put our tocino and I will cook it through. So it's a very simple banh mi dish. Nagbo-boil na siya, so ilalagay na natin. There. So, I'm just gonna para lang lumambot. Manipis na siya eh. Yun. Parang feeling ko ang dami nating sponsors kasi kakapasko lang. Ang dami nating linuluto. This is how we started vlogging. Dahil ang dami naming nakuhang like food stuff for Christmas and you don't know what to do with it, di ba? So, that's how it really started. Yan. Ito na lang. Yan. Para for plating purposes and beautification only. So, huwag niyo ako masyadong pinapansin. Hindi na boiler natin yung tocino. I-cut ko lang kasi so, of course, ito, tinatry natin i-reduce, no? Maubos lahat ng tubig. And then, we have to sort of saute it or fry it para mag-caramelize. Lumabas yung ating natural sugar. So, while that's boiling, let's prepare the relish. So, I shredded some lettuce, some cilantro. Ang ganda ng cilantro ko, diba? Because we're trying to recreate the Vietnamese flavor, I'm also going to be adding a little bit of the basil. Very little. Kasi di ba when we ate pho, paano ba i-pronounce? Huwag na lang niya ako i-criticize sa pag-pronounce. Di ba meron siyang basil, tapos meron siyang cilantro. So we're just trying to mimic that, no? Of course, when you are using cilantro, you can really eat it even with the stems, okay? Gugustuhan niyo to. And then, if this is our vinegar, I'm gonna be mixing the sugar. So 1:1. So we're just diluting the sugar. So here, pour it. And gusto natin siya mag-soak, no? So, para mamaya. Well mixed. So, ayan na siya. You can see, nawawala na ang liquid. So, we will continue sauteing it. And once the liquid is totally out, we will add some oil. And we're ready to do the sandwich. Hold on. So, I'm just heating this up. There. Yan. Super lambot na siya. we will just wait for the sugars to come out. So I'm lowering the fire. And then, I will be slicing this. And we need to toast the inside. Okay? Kasi, we need to soak the inside to make sure magiging crispy. There, see? So, on one side, I'm going to put Reno. There. Habang tinatoast natin. Sayang naman ang oras. Yan. I know it sounds weird, but it will really taste good, I promise. The Reno and the Misis. Now we are ready to assemble our banh mi, Kusina ni Mrs. O style. So now, we just want to put it there para mas madali mag-assemble ng sandwich. Of course, this would be better with a baguette, pero I thought I'll just do it with hot dog buns because it's always available. It's gonna be a very fat sandwich. There. And remember our salsa. It's naka-immerse na yung flavor. Ganda. You can even serve this salad on the side if you want. There. Crispy or crunchy garlic. And here you go. Our makeshift, not so authentic banh mi a la Kusina ni Mrs. O. Thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O and see you again for our next episode.
What is it? Let's taste it. Wow, it's a sandwich. Let's want to taste more. Good, it's different. Thank you.
Ay, tikman natin luto ni Ma'am. Ay, masarap. Tusino po siya. Pwede palang gawin to, tusino. Nasanay kasi ako sa hotdog. Sarap, promise, sarap talaga. Sarap.
Tikman na natin ang luto ni Dr. Chef Sison-Oreta. Masarap. Siyasang lasa ito sino. Masarap na. Yes, nice.